This project is displayed in the form of a journey and focuses on the curiosities that emerge from individuals who are naturally engaging. The journey takes twists and turns and is driven by children's questions and the knowledge and information that they contribute. The child's voice and the learning are included within the project documentation. The plan is to act on what individuals respond to and find interesting and move it forward by extending the learning. Learning is facilitated and extended through discussions, hypothesizing, contributing knowledge, asking questions, drawing, painting, creative expression, fine motor experiences, using technology, researching, investigating, the doing, the sharing, the reflecting, communication and collaboration. The definition of the word project is an individual or collaborative enterprise that is carefully planned to achieve a particular aim. It comes from the Latin word projectum, meaning something prominent. And the Latin word for prominent translates into throw forth. My understanding of a project, I see a project for young children as an approach to learning and a focus of learning. It requires an adult to hold space by nurturing children's questions, providing resources and being present. It's co-construction. Children and many of us learn best by doing. What learning is happening in this project? Although a project has a focus, what we are essentially doing is, as adults and teachers, growing a love of learning for our children. Currently, the work around bugs is in its infancy and is drawing on much of what children find visible. For example, it provides numeracy and mathematical development through activities such as counting the legs on an insect, discussing the different shapes and sizes, noticing what speed they move, or hypothesizing how high they will jump or fly. Literacy is developed through the creative expression. Children love to draw their interpretations. Close observation allows them to see glimpses of colour and pattern. You can see many pictures in this project. Language acquisition flows naturally while studying and observing. They learn new words to name new things and describe what is being seen. Social skills develop by working alongside one another. The group have a shared interest and they have learnt from each other's ideas and interactions. There are multiple opportunities to learn and experience positive social qualities, such as patience whilst waiting for a turn to use the iPad, verbal communication such as asking for help and assistance, or sharing a book together to find something. Well-being and belonging are grounded in the feeling of inclusion and sensing that they are part of the group in this shared experience. It's a great way to teach emotional intelligence and cultivate meaningful knowledge, rather than watch a child screaming fear at the sight of an insect or kill it in ignorance. Conscious awareness of the natural environment is important. Insects are a dominant life form and they play a huge role on the planet. They create the biological foundation for our ecosystems by cycling nutrients, pollinating plants, dispersing seeds and maintaining soil structure and fertility. So there is much, much more to learn. Please view and read the projects that are popping up around the centre, and I invite you to contribute towards them if you have something to share with the children. Thanks for your time and your attention.